Hey, what's up everybody? Derek here. What a beautiful day to be out on the water getting some fishing in, and that's what I'm about to do. So I hope you guys are out there getting some in as well, because the weather today is perfect. The seas are calm, guys, so it's a great day to be out on the water. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Mother Nature to help you find fish. Now, Mother Nature can be our greatest teacher if we're willing to listen and open our eyes to see what it all has to offer. And so the targeted fish species I'll be targeting for the first couple hours will be mackerel and bonita. Now, these birds of the sky, guys, they got a keen eyesight and they can spot bait fish that's swimming along the coast here from up to 2 miles. And so wherever you see birds diving, that's where you should be fishing at for mackerel. And right now, mackerel are getting ready for their spawning. So they're running pretty thick right now, about 2 miles offshore. And so that's what I'm going to be targeting. It's mackerel and bonita. So when these birds follow these fish, guys, all I'm going to do is just follow where they're going, and that'll help get me onto these mackerel and bonita right away. So it's going to be a great day-to-day for fishing, guys. I'm going to give you guys a lot of action. All right, guys, I'll see you out there at the spot. Let's go. Pretty good, decent size. Look at this. You see, guys, you find the birds, you find where they're diving at, and you'll find the mackerel. So now, here's the birds. We'll show you guys. And now we'll be able to catch some fish, guys. I finally found these fish. Here we go. You guys will be able to see them here in a few minutes. You see them jumping around? You see the fish right there? I'm gonna kill this motor right here. Well, there they are right there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this spoon out here, or this jig, and get a mackerel for you guys. Here we go, guys. I'm on already. You guys see that? See how quick that was? Oh yeah, I'm on already. Oh, he got off. He got off. But this is where the action is right now. This is where the action is. This is it right here, guys. Plenty of action right here. There's a lot of action. There we go. We're on. We're on. We are on, guys. I'm going to limit out mackerel in no time. The mackerel are feeding right now. Here they are. There's the first mackerel right here. Pretty good, decent size. Look at this. You see, guys, you find the birds, you find where they're diving at, and you'll find the mackerel. All right. There we go. We're on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a Mackie. Let's see here. Oh, man, he's pulling. Yeah, that's a big mackerel. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice mackerel. Nice mackerel. It's a whole school of them down there, guys. I can see them. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Whoa! Here he is right here, guys. Oh, that's a bonita. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Big bonita, guys. Big bonita. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to tire him out. He'll get tired here. Oh, wow. This is so much fun. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, guys. This bonita. Woo! Woo-wee! He's mad. He's a big one. I can tell you that. He's definitely a fighter. I might have to net him. He ain't gonna let me. He's whipping his tail here. There he is. I got him out of the water now. Let's see here. Come here, buddy. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Woo, another bonita. He's a fatty too. Look at that. Oh yeah. Wow. All right. Whoa. Snapped me completely off. You know what? I couldn't catch these bonita for nothing, right? I wanted to catch one. I was like, man, I would love to catch a bonita. Never caught one before in my life. Now all of a sudden I'm catching a bunch of them. Catching these bonita now. They're everywhere. All right. Here we go. Look at that, hooked in real quick already. I think I got a bonita. Yep, this feels like a bonita. Oh, he got off. Oh no, he's still on. I can't tell if it's a bonita or a mackerel. We'll see here. Yeah, I think it's a mackerel. We'll see here. Doesn't feel that big. Yeah, it's a mac. Woo, he's mad. That's a decent sized mackerel. I'll keep him. Oh, there they are right there behind me. You guys see that? Look at that. See that right there? Watch this. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Come on. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's got to be a big mackerel. Or it could be a bonita. That might be a bonita. Oh yeah, that might be a bonita, guys. The way he's running. Let's see here. He's coming close to the boat. There he is. Oh, what is that? That's a jack. That's a jack, guys. Look at this, it's a jack. Some big jack crevalles out there. It's a jack. Look at this. All right, calm down, buddy. Look at that. It's a jack. All right. I'm gonna let you go. I don't keep jacks. Some people do. I don't keep them. I don't keep them. Some people keep them. I don't keep them. There we go. There we go. He's on. There we go. That might be another bonita, or it could be a mackerel. Oh yeah, he's screaming. You guys hear that screaming? That reel is screaming. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. That feels like a big mackerel or another bonita. We'll see here. Don't go underneath the boat. Don't go underneath the boat. There, he's over that way. Come on. He's back over there on the other side. Come on. He wants to be back over here now. Woo! Another bonita. Look at this. This is another fatty. Look at this thing. Look how fat this thing. Oh, this is a fatty. Look at that. Another bonita. Wow. Gosh. He hit that metal lure there, those micro jigs. Man, he's a fatty, guys. Ah. Woo. There we go. We're on. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a mackerel. Now that's a mackerel. Yeah, he's pulling. That's a mackerel, guys. I got another mackerel. It makes number 3. He's swimming straight towards the boat. There we go. Yep. Another Mackie. There he is. Another Mackie right here. Look at that. Another Mackie. A nice fatty too. All right. I'll leave you right there. See if I can get onto another one real quick. They're over there. Let's go over there. Let me go over there and chase them. I'm just gonna creep on over there to where they're at. I See where they're at. The birds are telling me where they're at. The birds are right over there diving right now. Like I said, use Mother Nature to your advantage. That way you won't be wasting any time out here. I'm just gonna creep up on them. I'm just gonna creep up on these fish. They ain't gonna know what hit them. Here we go. I'm about to kill the engine. There we go. And here we go, guys. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. We're on. We're on. We're on, guys. He feels like a smallie. He doesn't feel that big. Let's see here what we got. Oh no. Oh man, that's a nice. Oh, that was a, you guys see that? Ladyfish. Big ladyfish. Woo, big ladyfish. That's a big boy. Big ladyfish, guys. Where's my de-hooker at? Hopefully he'll get off on his own. That's a big ladyfish right there. All right. Well, guys, that's going to be a wrap for me. It's been a very productive day out here on the water. You could not have asked for a better day. I mean, the weather conditions were perfect. No wind at all, no rough water. It was just smooth sailing, guys, today, and I like that. Anyway, I started inshore targeting those mackerel, and all I did was let Mother Nature guide me right to where they were at. Like I said, Mother Nature is our greatest teacher. All we have to do is be willing to listen and open up our eyes and see what she has to offer, and she will show us the way. I promise you that, guys. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, much love is appreciated if you hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to click that subscribe button below. Be sure to click that bell. Make sure your notifications are turned on so that you'll be automatically notified when I post new video content. Well, that's all I have for now. You guys have a great week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.